Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. Today we are going to discuss about quick formula. So we are already doing multiplication concepts. So this is the one more concept related to our multiplication. So let's learn the concept. So this concept we can derive from the Nichilam concepts of Vedic maths. So it doesn't matter what's the name of the particular method or what. So the concept is important over here. So let's learn the concept first. Here whatever the numbers we are taking as multiplier or multiplicand, they are near to 100. Okay, so either they are bit far from 100 or they are bit above the 100. Okay, so then in a traditional method we need to do lot of calculation, but this method you can do bit easily. So let's see how to do that one. So we need to see how far each number from 100. So here both are less, so that is minus 13 and minus 11. So after doing this step, so this is the first step, then we need to do either cross subtraction. Okay, so that means 87 minus 11, or you can do 89 minus 13. Both the values you will get the same answer. Okay, so let's do which one is easy one. You try to select that one. So I am doing 87 minus 11, which is 76. So that's the second step, and then we need to do the cross multiplication of these two numbers. Okay, minus 13 and minus 11, so which is equal to plus 143. If you want you can do it. Okay, so 143, and then we need to balance the values. So always here we should get the 2-digit number this side. Okay, so if you have more than that, you need to send to that side and you need to add it here. So the answer is 7743. Okay, we need to do the balancing. We already discussed about balancing in so many videos. Okay, so let's try to do another scenario. Okay, so here one value is above and one value is less. Okay, so how less it is, which is minus 13, and how big it is, so means how above it is, so that is plus 12. Okay, so this is a different scenario where we will get the different signs. Okay, how you need to solve this question. So here also concept till second step it is same, but the third step it is changing. Okay, so either you need to do cross addition or subtraction depending upon the signs. Okay, so both values you will get the same. Then you need to multiply. The second step is also same. 13 to the 12, which is 156 minus 156. So after doing this step, so the next step it varies. So what we need to do, once we got the negative value, so we need to subtract this value from the 99. So now we need to convert this 99 as base 100 value. Okay, how to convert base 100 value? Just you need to multiply with the 100. 99 times 100, which is 9900 minus 156. We need to do the subtraction. So this step varies. Then what's answer? 9900 minus 156. We can use our Vedic math concepts here to do subtraction. So 9 minus 1 is 8, but we won't write 8 because of borrow combination. We will write one less value, which is 7. So 9 7, and then we need to do complementary addition because of subtraction. Okay, because of borrow combination. 0 plus 5 5. But before we write 5, we will see whether next one is borrow combination or not. Yes, it is borrow combination. Then I am reducing one value, which is 4, and the next value is also 4. So my answer is 9744. Okay, let's do the next question. So here also same. Now whatever the examples we have, you can solve all the examples with these two basic examples. Okay, so minus 11 minus 0 8. Okay, and then you need to cross subtraction. You need to do cross subtraction. Okay, both you will get the same value. So if you do 92 minus 11, which is 81, and then 11 8s are 88, plus 88 means we didn't get any extra value here, so we no need to do any balancing. That's our answer. Let's do next question. This is minus 1 and the 93 is how far it is from 100, which is minus 7. So whenever you get the one digit here, you need to make it as 2 digit with the help of 0. Okay, so let's do subtraction. 93 minus 1, which is 92, and then 1 7s are 7, but we need to consider 2 digits, so I am writing 07. That's our answer. Okay, let's do the next question. So 98, how far it is, that is minus 2, and 84 is minus 16. Okay, then need to do cross subtraction, which is 84 minus 02, which is 82, and then we need to multiply these two, which is 16 to the 32. It's a 2 digit number. So the answer is 8232. Next one. So how far it is? It is minus 13 and minus 24. It's not 34. Yeah. Then we need to do cross subtraction, which is 63. 76 minus 13, which is easy. So 63, and then 24 13s. How much 24 13s? 4 3s are 12, 6 7, and then 24, and the answer is 312. So we need to send this 3 to this side. Now 66 1 2 means 6612. Okay, let's do the next question. So here it is above the 100, means plus 12 minus 14. Minus 14. So try to do addition or subtraction. So I am doing addition. 98, and then multiply 12 times 14, which is negative value we will get, because it is plus 12 and minus 14. So we got like minus 168, and we need to subtract this one from the 9800. So we will use our Vedic maths. 9 7, but we will write down 6, and then 4, but we will write down 3, and then 2, and we don't have any zero combination, we will write down as it is. So the answer is 9632. Okay, let's do the next question. This is plus 8 and this is minus 11. So 108 minus 11, which is 97, and then 88. So subtract 88 from 9700. 9 6 1, because it is 2, but we have our combination, that's why 1, and then 2. So the answer is 9612. Let's do the next question. Plus 2 plus 6, so 108, and then 12. Okay, so we didn't get any carry forward value, so we need to write as it is. Then plus 8 plus 17, and then 125. When we add 117 plus 8, okay, then we need to multiply 17 8s, which is 136, and we need to send this value to this side. So the answer is 12636. So that's it for today's class. I hope you got the concept. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.